everyone, welcome back to Super Coder Kid. Today, we're going to learn how to change the background of our Scratch projects using the Switch Backdrop block. This block lets you add cool settings, scenes, and environments to your projects, making them even more exciting. Whether you're making a game or an animation, the backdrop can help set the scene. Let's dive in. First, let's understand what a backdrop is. A backdrop is like the scenery behind your sprites. You can change it to different backgrounds or create custom backdrops to match your project's theme. And to switch between different backdrops, we use the Switch Backdrop to block. Let's start by adding some backdrops to our project. To do this, go down to the bottom right corner and click the Choose a Backdrop button. Scratch has tons of pre-made backdrops you can use. I'll pick a couple of different ones to show how the Switch Backdrop to block works. You can also click on the Backdrops tab to view, edit, or create custom backdrops. Now that we have a few backdrops in place, let's learn how to switch between them. To make the backdrop change in your project, we'll use the Switch Backdrop to block. This block is found in the Purple Looks category. Let's drag it to the coding area. This block has a drop-down menu where you can choose any of the backdrops you've added. For example, let's switch to a city backdrop when the green flag is clicked. Now, let's make the backdrop change automatically when the project starts. We'll go to the Events category and grab the When Green Flag Clicked block. Attach it to the Switch Backdrop to block. And from the drop-down, choose the backdrop you want to start with. Let's pick City. When we click the green flag, the backdrop will instantly change to the city. Let's test it out. Now, let's add some interaction. What if we want the backdrop to change when the player presses a key or when something specific happens in the game? Let's make the backdrop switch when we press the spacebar. Go back to the Events category and grab the When Space Key Pressed block. Attach it to another Switch Backdrop to block. Now, when I press the spacebar, the backdrop will change to another scene. Let's pick Beach for this one. What if you want your project to switch between different backdrops automatically, like a story where the scene changes on its own? We can do that by using a combination of wait blocks and switch backdrop to blocks. I'll grab a forever loop from the controls section, then add a switch backdrop to block, followed by a wait 2 seconds block. After that, I'll switch to another backdrop and wait again. This will automatically change the scene every 2 seconds. Let's try it. You can get creative with this. You can change backdrops when a certain event happens in your game, like when the player reaches a new level, or you can switch to different backdrops in an animation to show different scenes in a story. And that's how you use the Switch Backdrop to block and Scratch. Now you know how to add and change backgrounds to bring more life to your games and stories. Try using this in your next Scratch projects and see how it changes the mood and feel of your projects. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Super Coder Kid, and ring the bell for more fun Scratch tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.